All right, listen. You're a student, you're in math class, your teacher is just giving a presentation with a slideshow, and you are bored out of your gourd because no one wants to just listen to someone else talk, right? That's super boring. So, for the last 2 weeks, and it has only been 2 weeks, I've been working on something better. It is an interactive slideshow builder, essentially. If I'm a student, I'm going to give you a little demo here. Whoops, I got the wrong code. I can join a room and actually be brought to these interactive slides. So you might have every student in your class on a Chromebook working with these slides. As a student, the slide is interactive, so when I see a question, I can actually answer it. My favorite flavor of ice cream, if I'm getting soft serve, I like to get twist. I like to get the mix of both. And if I was going to open my own ice cream store, I think I like to be cheaper to bring in lots of traffic. I'm going to do 99-cent cones, bring in lots of people. But someone else, a friend of mine, might join. They join the same slides and they have different preferences. They like chocolate ice cream with sprinkles. And if they open their own ice cream store, they would want it to be premium, right? Like bring in just some really high quality traffic, sell super high quality ice cream. They're going $12.99, right? They're going to be $12 more expensive than me. So when you have interactive slides like this, that's pretty cool. And I've been working on this actual slideshow builder. So this is the slide editor that I've created. This is what teachers would see. As a teacher, I was able to go in and actually, change the options. I was able to create my own questions. I can create these little free response boxes if I want to let someone type something in. So you've got all kinds of options here, and all the changes that you make show up live. So if I change this to say, what's your favorite flavor of soft serve ice cream? If I just type that in. My right arrow isn't working. I've got bugs. I got things to work on. Soft serve ice cream. It shows up instantly. So the teacher can actually change the slides on the fly, and it shows up instantly for students. But here's what's really cool. Students don't just enter answers. You want to then do something with what they give you, right? If I'm a student, I enter something in, I want something to happen as a result. So I've built this little bar chart component that you can add to your slide. This is a bar chart, and I can wire it up to show the answers to this multiple choice question. And so for students, as they're looking at the slide, it shows that one person, that's the student in this tab, chose chocolate, and another student chose twist. If I maybe have a additional student join, now we have a third student, they might also vote for chocolate. Suddenly it's 2-1, and that shows up for everybody, synchronized across the whole classroom. So this is the idea, right? You should be able to go in and make these interactive slides. You should be able to build activities that sort of show up on students' computers. There's a tool already for this called Desmos Activity Builder. It is powerful. It lets you create lots of cool stuff. It's also a total pain to write code to actually create these super interactive slides. And this is why the concept here is to build something like Desmos Activity Builder, but let teachers actually code their own slides by dragging in Scratch blocks to actually sort of write code and create the interactivity. So teachers could build whole games, right, where maybe students are competing against each other or working together or just seeing the differences in their math ideas. And teachers should be able to build that really easily. So that's what I've been working on. I've been doing it for the last 2 weeks. It started at the Knowles teaching conference. They have a summer conference. I went in Philadelphia, met a wonderful human named Maggie. They had this idea, and I got totally nerd sniped into working on it. I love this idea. I'm super passionate about it, and I'm going to be teaching my own algebra class this coming school year, and so I may have the opportunity to sort of give this a try and actually try using this in a classroom. So I just wanted to give you the update. Obviously, there's still a lot more work to do to make this a fully functional tool, but I think there's a lot of interesting possibilities here. So if you have ideas for how this could be used or features you think I should add, stuff you think it would be cool for teachers to be able to build in their own classrooms, leave a comment. I'm curious to see what you think.